In this video, I'll show you how to enable Google Assistant on an Android phone. First, open the Google on your phone. Then, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Next, scroll down and tap on Settings. From the menu, select Google Assistant. Now tap on Hey Google and Voice Match. Turn on the option for Hey Google. After that, tap More and then select I agree to continue. Next, you'll be asked to set up Voice Match. Follow the instructions on the screen and repeat the phrases shown so your phone can recognize your voice. Once the setup is complete, tap Next to finish. Now you can go back to the home screen and simply say, Hey Google, or OK Google to activate Google Assistant. For example, you can say, Hey Google, open the camera. And that's it. Google Assistant is now enabled and ready to use on your Android phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.